Let's dive right into your Kajabi account and see how you can empower your team by granting them administrative privileges first. Navigate to your Kajabi dashboard once you're logged in. Look for the settings cogwheel, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on that to open up your account settings. Within the settings menu, you'll find a section dedicated to managing who has access to your Kajabi account. This might be labeled as users, team members, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Now, on the users page, you'll see an option to add a new team member. Look for a button that says Add User, Invite User, or a plus icon. Clicking this will initiate the process of bringing someone new onto your Kajabi account. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. Make sure this is their correct and primary email address. You may also have a field to enter their name, which helps personalize their access. This is the crucial step for granting administrative access. You'll see a section for setting permissions or roles. Click on this to reveal the available options from the list. Select Administrator, or the equivalent option that grants full access to manage your Kajabi platform. Once you've selected the administrator role, double-check the email address and name entered. Then, confidently click the Send Invitation or Invite button. They will receive an email with instructions on how to set up their account access. And that's it. You've successfully added an administrator to your Kajabi account. This allows them to help manage your courses, marketing, and more, freeing you up to focus on other strategic areas of your business. Remember, you can always adjust these permissions later if needed.